Welcome to the How Reset channel. Today I will show you how to restore the messages icon on the OPPO Find X9 Pro. As you can see here, the messages app icon is nowhere to be seen. It's usually here, but it's not there. But not to panic, it's easily restored. Just simply scroll up from the middle of the screen to open the app drawer. And then here, we need to find the messages app. It's right there, and to restore it, simply drag and drop it, for example in this belt for easy access, or anywhere on your desktop. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the How Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.